Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most exciting and in-demand career paths in the tech industry, data science. If you're interested in working with data and using it to solve complex problems, then this might be the career for you. What is data science? First things first, let's define what data science actually is. At its core, data science is about using mathematical and statistical tools to extract insights from data. This can involve anything from collecting and cleaning data to building predictive models that can help businesses make better decisions. Skills needed for data science. So, what skills do you need to become a data scientist? First and foremost, you need to be comfortable with math and statistics. You'll also need to be proficient in programming languages like Python or R, as well as have a strong understanding of machine learning algorithms. Additionally, having good communication skills and being able to explain technical concepts to non-technical people is also important. Education and training. There are a few different paths you can take to become a data scientist. Some people come from a computer science background, while others might have a degree in statistics or a related field. There are also a number of online courses and boot camps that can teach you the necessary skills to become a data scientist, such as those offered by Udacity or Coursera. Building your portfolio. Once you have the necessary skills and education, it's important to start building your portfolio. This can involve participating in data science competitions, contributing to open source projects, or working on your own personal projects. This is important because it shows potential employers that you have practical experience and can apply your skills in the real world. Networking and job search. Finally, it's time to start networking and searching for job opportunities. Attend industry events and meetups, connect with other data scientists on LinkedIn, and start applying to job postings. It can be a competitive field, but if you have the right skills and experience, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, a brief introduction to becoming a data scientist. It's a challenging and rewarding career that can lead to exciting opportunities in a variety of industries. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out some of the resources I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.